Let's see how to fix iPad disabled without iTunes. In the first step, open Settings. Then select Face ID and passcode. Next, type in your device passcode. In the next step, click on Settings, then tap on Apple ID at the top. Then choose Find My. In the next step, go to iCloud website using another device, then log in with your Apple ID. Later, pick Find iPhone. In the next step, select your iPad from the menu. Next, click on Actions. After that, press Erase iPad. In the next step, allow the process to complete. Then configure your device again. Later, retrieve data from a backup if possible. You are good to go.